Hey guys, how y'all doing, and welcome back to the channel. My name's David and I fix RVs, and today I've actually got a two-part project. I've got this water heater that froze up over the winter, and then they've also got some septic work for me to work on over there. I'll show you that in a second. Let's get started. So when the customer called me, he told me that they did winterize this RV, but they used an air compressor. And this is actually the second time that I've seen a Girard Tankless water heater blow out that had been winterized with an air compressor. I've said this before, I'll say it again. You do want to run antifreeze through your tankless water heater. And this RV was already set up to be winterized with antifreeze. You can see they got the hose right here. You just drop this right into the bucket. So hopefully the next time they winterize, that's the way they will be doing it.
You got the little.
What's that?
That thing, no matter what I'm doing.
This water heater looks like it's about brand new too. It's really nice.
I think they bought this thing.
Did they?
Yeah.
Is it a new model, do you know?
Well, I think it was new when they got it.
Oh yeah. They've got the extra large cover on this.
This door, you mean?
Yeah. I think this door is for like to replace a 10 gallon or a 12 gallon water heater.
Water heater,
Yeah. Normally I'm replacing 6 gallon. The door is not nearly as big as this, but this door can be reused. It's in perfect condition.
Yeah, that's in good shape.
Yeah. You don't have to charge them for one.
Did they?
No, I'm not going to charge them for a door because they don't need it.
We're from Vancouver, Washington originally.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
That's what our business was. I got out of there. It took me 10 years to get people to quit bothering me.
Phone was still ringing for 10 years. I can't even count how many of these things I've installed. I made a couple of videos on tankless water heater installations, and then now everybody wants a tankless. Might need to put a stubby on that one.
You know what you're doing, that's all that counts.
Yeah.
I feel bad for those guys trying to land airplanes now with no tower.
Oh, I do.
Yeah. Put it on your seatbelts, but we may have a rough landing. Well, we may not land it all.
Yeah. Alright, now I just got that one that I need a stubby for that one, I think. Couldn't quite get on that one at the right angle. That means hand crank.
You know, most people have trouble with here's their slide out going in and out.
Oh, I know, yeah.
And nobody knows how to fix it.
And to be honest, I'm not a slide out expert either. I've actually been called out on 2 slide out jobs where I wasn't able to figure out what was wrong with it.
Well, I think there's a lot of that going on.
Yeah.
And I tell them,
They have classes you can go to. I'm so busy. I started this business, without taking the slide out classes first.
Well,
now I don't have time.
There should be a manual control on it somewhere.
Yeah, some of them do, yeah.
That's that. You got a great idea there. That's what I always do. I never.
Oh yeah, so we don't lose them. Let's set them over here. Let's see.
I hate to say it, but you earn your $150 an hour.
I try.
Half of it's what you know.
Oh, I know.
The other half is just getting paid.
Well, they had to build a special box for this thing.
Oh, I see.
So now I've got everything taken apart outside. Now we just need to get these water lines disconnected and the gas. Normally I'm taking out a 6-gallon and putting in a Girard Tankless. Don't have to replumb anything this time. Now the gas. Alright, now we should be able to pull her right out of here.
Huh? That makes it a professional.
Now they had female connectors inside the RV, so I'm going to just go ahead and install these male connectors out here before I put it in, because that's a lot easier.
So now...
Okay, now we just got to heat them up. Yeah, these are the heat shrink connectors, yeah. I like these just because it holds them on better. Yeah.
Well, you should explain to them what you're doing. That's important right there.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people don't even know the heat shrink.
Oh, I know. They've got some cool solder connectors too that you put them together and then when you hit them with the gun, the solder melts. I haven't tried those yet, but
I never have used
I might try them out sometime.
Well, you're smart making a video.
It helps. It gets me a lot of business. Like everybody who's seen the Girard Tankless water heater install videos, they want one installed in their RV. Then there's a sink tap that I've probably installed about 75 of them that I installed in one video, and everybody who watches that video wants that sink tap, you know. Yeah. So it's good. It's free advertising. I don't have to pay YouTube anything at all. And it gets me a lot of business. Although lately my channel seems to be slowing down. Might be because I put a couple of cooking videos up there. That might have confused the algorithm. I better not do any more of those. No, I'm not going to do any more cooking videos. I don't know if that's what caused the slowdown or not. I think last summer my channel slowed down too. Everybody's out doing stuff. They're not home watching videos, you know, in the good weather. Yeah. There we go.
That's it. Look at that.
Yeah, there we go.
Like
slid right in.
So, the bottom isn't.
It'll have to line up those old screw holes too that were there before. Right there. Yeah. Yeah, that existing line definitely looks like it's cross-threaded. I'm going to take that off of there and redo it. I don't know how it's not leaking. Well, I did take this fitting out and put it back in. Knowing my luck, it'll probably leak now that I've got it straight. It was not leaking when it was crooked. We'll see. Okay, now let's go ahead and see if we can get this thing up to 115. They can always turn it back down later if they want to. I just like to get it up to at least 115 before I leave. I've already checked for gas leaks and for water leaks, and we have none. 108, come on baby, 110.
10, 11. Come on, baby, come on. There it is.
Yeah, we're getting 115. That's perfect.